Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sana Vogue. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this graphic eyeliner look with some neon outline. So yeah, let's get into the video. I have already done my base makeup. So in this video, I'm going to show only my eyeliner look, how I created this. So first I'm filling my brows with a Wet n Wild brow palette. Next I'm going to draw a huge wing liner with the help of this sketch liner. This is from the brand Blue Heaven, and we can easily draw a wing liner with this help of sketch liner. If you are not good at liner, then you can try this sketch eyeliner to draw a perfect wing liner. Actually, I needed some neon eyeliner to draw a outline of this wing, so that I have chosen my Makeup Revolution Tummy X Clark palette. I have took that neon shimmery shade and I transfer some amount of shimmer shade in the foundation palette and mix it with a setting spray. Setting spray is from the L'Oreal Infallible. I am mixing both the shimmery shade and the setting spray in that palette. And also you can create your own customized eyeliner like this. To draw a thin eyeliner, here I am using the eyeliner brush from the Vega brand. These bristles are very thin. You can easily draw precisely. So I am using this brush. Actually here I made another wing in off camera cause I'm not satisfied with the single wing, so I created another upper wing and I just want to create a graphic look, so I am extending this look. Now I'm applying blush from the brand Blue Heaven. This is in coral shade and I'm applying with my beauty blender. After that I'm highlighting my cheekbones with molten golden highlighter from Maybelline. For lipstick I am here using Lakme 925. This is in shade Rose Touch. Still I was not satisfied with my eye look. Actually, it felt like incomplete, so I have created another line on my crease line and joined it with my wings so that it will give some completed graphic eye look. I hope so. It is look like simple graphic eye look, and this is very funny. I was so confused on that day, so I am satisfying with my creation like this. Hope you like it, and you can also try this by your own, and you can also customize your eyeliner like this. This is my Instagram handle. I have already uploaded a base makeup of this in the Instagram reel. You can check it out from there. Let's meet you on another video. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.